when it comes to database management tools, there are so many tools out there which do basically the same things. There are many tools that help you view your database. There are many tools that help you manage your database. So this is just another one of them, and it really comes down to the one you prefer to use. So I wouldn't say this is better than anything else, but all these tools just have a little bit of something different, which makes them unique in their own way and makes them very useful. And so today, let's look at DBView, which you can find at dbview.io. And this tool basically just allows you to manipulate your database, to view your database structure, and really play around with everything else. And so this is quite interesting because it comes with some amazing features. Off the bat, you can see that it promises you to have a faster database. So it comes with a native performance, not a web browser in disguise. Every click, every scroll, every query feels instant because it's instant. And so this kind of a promise, this tool comes with instant reaction time. Startup time is less than 2 seconds. It launches instantly, no waiting for bloated runtime. And so the app size for this tool is approximately 15 megabytes. So 10 times smaller than competitors' shipping browser engines. And equally, you have a memory usage of less than 100 megabytes. And finally, you have over 100,000 rows that it can display. So you can scroll through massive data sets without lag. So you can see it's already making some bold promises and some bold claims. And so this tool already, with these promises, is sure to capture the interest of many out there. You see, if you have an app that is able to launch very fast, then you can have this. You can really like this tool. And so one problem with database tools is that cycling through millions of rows or millions of data sets is really a problem. It comes with a lot of lag. You see, it comes with a lot of delays because the app has to fetch the data in certain ways. That's why these promises seem really untrue, because they really are promising something that I'm not sure they can deliver around. But nevertheless, it's an interesting promise that we can go ahead and try out. So DBView, you can see already some of the features it comes with: native core for true performance, virtual rendering for any dataset size, memory that stays low, and respect your CPU and RAM. So you can see already it is identifying the main blockage points with other database tools and promises to address those. And so you can see the other clients ship entire browser engines, slow startup, heavy memory usage, 500 megabyte plus RAM just sitting idle, and so on and so forth. So it identifies the problem with other tools. And so it tries to address these. And so the database client that gets out of your way. So everything you need. So it comes with an AI assistant, a powerful SQL editor, query results, schema browser, include ERD visualization, SQL book, and many other features. And so if you're really a database manager, these are really going to speak to you. I personally use databases at kind of a high level. I'm not trying to get into the nitty gritty. I just want to view my database and manipulate the data, nothing too complicated. But when I see some screenshots like this, right, I'm really intrigued. I'm really interested because I see the kind of views it has and the kind of displays it shows. And if it really does that in the amount of time it claims to, then this is very, very useful. As you can see, you can go through thousands of lines of data very easily with virtually zero lag. And so this is quite interesting. And it has this display. You can see how it has organized well the relationships between all of the tables. And so in the database tools I've used, I've had to make a lot of manipulations myself and display things left to right just to ensure that. But when I see this kind of screenshots, I'm really intrigued and interested in this database. You can see you can move things around. You see the relationship between everything. And it's really interesting. So it has a lot of bold promises and I'm really, really interested. I'm sure as well it comes with a way of integrating your data, and it equally comes with turn data into visual insights. So you can see it really has a lot of features. Like, it's amazing. It's a top product and it's climbing on product horns in popularity. And so you can see, view your dashboard from your queries and so on and so forth, organize your data, write SQL with an AI assistant as well. It comes even with an AI assistant integrated. So it's kind of amazing. So I like this interface where it has the data displaying below and it looks like just a code editor and it's very interesting. So yeah, so I just wanted to make you discover this amazing tool which comes with a lot of bold promises, and it really, really is interesting, especially the AI assistant part of it. Another thing you'll notice as well on their website is that there's no pricing feature, which seems kind of weird because basically every tool has a pricing, so there's no pricing feature or there's no pricing page, which makes it sound like it's a totally free product. But I doubt that. Maybe after installation, they are going to show you something to pay. But so far, so good. It looks very interesting and very promising, with charts that can be generated very easily and data that can be manipulated in an amazing way. So definitely check it out, connect it to your database and see how fast it can really manipulate your data and how seamless the whole experience feels. I myself am going to do that very well as well. So definitely check this tool at dbview.io. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Catch you on the next one.